Alisha Tech Ideas. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel.
Hello guys, this is your own channel Alisha Tech Ideas. Please like, share and subscribe. Today I have very good information for you and tech ideas. Earn high 50 ways to earn money, and this is Organ app, and it has 3.2 and star and 78 reviews, 8.7 MB, and rate is 3 plus and 10k downloads. Yes guys, 10k downloads. And it has multiple job or multiple ways app, but it is one app, but it has a lot of things for you. Let's get started one by one. First one, we can see this is earn high 50 ways earn money, start earn money, and this is the teamwork you can see. And this is educational type or something else. When you just click start, then you can get more information about this is one package, total one package for you guys. But if you want to work and you want to earn money, they are saying earn money online is now very easy because there are many ideas to make money online, and in this app we are provides. And this is new information, this is latest and information only in my channel you can watch. Next one is earn high 50 ways earn money. 50 professional ways to earn money. This is about profession. If you are agree to make profession this online job, this online work, then you can do it. 20 professional ways to earn, best ways to make income at home. And these are about 20 professional ways, and this is an other and different thing. This is about professional. If you want to be professional, then you just learn or make a lot of things for your future and your job. Next one is earn high 50 ways earn money, 50 professional ways to earn money. What is this? First is sell your stuff, you can be a seller. And second one, play quiz and win coins. And third one, I don't know what is this. And next is start an Amazon FBA business. This is very nice business guys. People are millionaire and they are attached with Amazon, and this is skill based thing. And if these all are skill based things, and this category is related to the skill. If you have any skill, then you will be very successful in this field. Second last is start a blog. Yes, you can be a blogger or monetize it. And next is play game and win coins. This is a easy way. Two ways are easy, but Amazon and blogger, and next sell your stuff is professional. What is next? Next is earn high 50 ways, start a blog and monetize it. You can be a blogger, and Google has an app for you, bloggers.com. I have mentioned it in my previous video. You can watch my next a lot of videos are there, and one video is about blogger.com, and you can just watch it. How to monetize your blog. You can be a blogger, and you just have if you want to write something, you just choose a topic and then write a blog in written form. You can monetize your blog, and you can be a best blogger and writer. Next, best ways to make income at home. First one is freelancing or on Fiverr. You can watch my video also. It is about Fiverr work, and you just have download Fiverr and then make account on Fiverr, and you can just start according to your skill. Next one is bookkeeping. You have a lot of pages to write, and this is writing work. Website and application testing is there, and about IT, you can make websites and application testing, and surveys are there, and proofreading is about that you just have minute reading, and if you have any spelling mistake and you search anything else which is wrong, then you can just proof writing. And last one is financial advisor. If you are a banker, or you have you are the student of economics, then you can be a financial advisor. This is a course, and this is not an application or app, but it's a complete package, complete thing for you. Just step by step we are searching. Next one is influencer marketing, and this is teamwork also. And if you know about marketing, this is also another category, another business, and totally about marketing. You can be a seller or a marketer, anything else. This is about this. Okay, just like, share and subscribe, and wait for my next latest video.